All right, happy Tuesday, everybody. May 31st, 6:30 in the morning. Had a good sleep last night. Read my book a little bit. It's kind of an interesting story. Suspenseful, but stayed up a little bit later reading than I wanted to. I was pretty much asleep by 10 o'clock. And yeah, getting on trail this morning. We got Dragon's Tooth today, and McAfee knob is the goal at the end. So got a little bit of a water carry here. Going to get down off this mountain at about 3.5 miles to the next water source, and then we got to carry water up to Dragon's Tooth. It's pretty much carry water uphill and then hang out, go down the back side of the mountain, gather more water, go uphill. So, but yeah, it's kind of a drier area on the AT, so it makes you have a little bit longer water carries. But you just pay attention and carry 2 liters and you should be all right. But yeah, let me get rolling up the hill so I can go right back down. And yeah, let's go get some of that trail today. Ooh, sunlight. Bam, sunlight. Whoever built this section of trail must be a fan of the PCT, because it is lovely to hike on. It's got plenty of switchbacks, the grading's nice, there's very little roots and rocks, and you can walk around and look at things without feeling like you're going to trip and die. Kudos to the trail builders and maintainers. Again, this has been a great morning so far. Thank you. Oh, Froggy. Hey, Froggy. Hey, Froggy. Yeah. 700 miles, baby. 700 miles. Feels good. Cheers. Kind of hard to believe, really. 700 miles is already passed. Just day in and day out, just keep walking. The miles just tick by. It's kind of amazing, really. And then you take the goods with the bads, bads with the goods. Feeling good. Legs are feeling pretty fresh. Got my system down pretty good. Let's go get 800. Shouldn't be too far away at this point. Only 99.5 to go, I guess. All right, Dragon's Tooth, here we come. around, see if I can't find anything interesting. Somehow I ended up missing the last water source. The gut hooks app had a glitch. It said there was more water coming up than there was. And when I moved forward, it passed the water source. So pretty low on water, so I don't know how long I'm going to hang out here. But I think I'm going to go up this thing right here. Top of the world, Ma. So, yeah, I've been sitting here taking a break, eating lunch, sitting in the stream. Over there, chilling on that stream for a little bit, but yeah, I didn't film a lot coming down from Dragon's Tooth. It was pretty interesting. It was steep, a lot of rock scramble kind of thing set up. Kind of a maze trying to figure out where the trail is and how to get down. But yeah, I kind of ran into a little bit of an issue with water since I missed that last water source before climbing Dragon's Tooth. I really didn't have much up there, but I wasn't going to miss Dragon's Tooth, that's for sure. So I ended up with not much, maybe 4 or 5 swallows of water coming down from there. And it was about a 4-mile walk to this place right here. But literally got to the top of the hill behind us and took my last sip and booked it down here. So yeah, definitely on the edge of getting dehydrated. Just peed and it was completely dark yellow. So I've just been resting here, soaking in the river, drinking water and eating food. But yeah, sorry, we're gonna miss some of the footage coming down from there, but at least I got footage up there. So, but yeah, onward to McAfee Knob after this, and I believe it's about 8 to 9 miles, and we'll be there. So we should be there for sunset today. All right, see y'all later. All right, rested up and refuel. Ready to go get some more, baby. Come on. Let's go get some of that trail. I just walked through all those fields. Boy, it is hot out there. Good God. Man, I think that lack of water got to me. And since lunch, I've been struggling, man. Been sweating really hard. Been getting a cramp in my stomach. But yeah, I don't know. Just taking it slow. Just trying to slowly drink some more liquids. But yeah, it just kind of zapped all my energy. Whew. All right, let me get back on this. All right, back in action. Feel a lot better. Just been taking my time and slowly sipping on some liquids. Got down to the road. I'm on the other side of it now. and about 3.5 miles will be at the cliffs of McAfee Knob. So it's a climb, but I got plenty of time in the day to get it done. So I'm just gonna slowly get up there. But that was probably the worst I've felt on this trail so far, honestly. Just like had a big lunch, and I slowly took in 2 liters of water at least, and was feeling pretty good. Took a rest, sat in the water, and started hiking. I hit those pastures. Those pastures were steaming, and right after that, man, I just felt so drained. I was just like pouring sweat, but I took a few breaks, and just kind of slowly came back around. So still not 100%, but whatever. Get on up here so we can get the sunset. That's my goal right now. I want to see the sunset up here. All right. All right, 1.5 miles. Almost there. Found some water along the trail, which wasn't on the map. Well, that was nice, so I stopped for a little bit. Got some good cold water. And talked to a fellow from Bangladesh that lives in Ohio now. And he was interested in the trail and what I did for a living. And he said, I've been to Charleston so many times. So, pretty cool. I actually run into him in Charleston. He said he's going to come visit whenever he stops in there again. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Whoa. Well, let's see what we get for a sunset tonight.